We left Ilha da Mocambique on the 12th of November 2020 and had a short sail through the night to stop over at Memba Bay, where we did some repair work on the spinnaker.
We're busy with it, so we may as well just do everything that's coming loose and do it properly. You know, let's see if we get another place. Otherwise,
after the spinnaker repairs, we went for a little snorkel and a ride around the area in the dinghy, and then we at 4 o'clock left sailing for Pemba. Memba Bay is a truly spectacular area, and what is also fascinating about it is while you're sailing in the open sea and you come into this bay, it comes in at over 1,000 meters, and then only when you start coming into the bay does it drop down to 500 meters, and only when you get very close to shore does it go up to 50 meters and then rapidly down to 5 meters.
We can pull up that bag, eh? Spinnaker. Well, we're gonna pretty much go. Now let's wait till we go out the channel, because we're gonna go down a bit and then up. Moving on his dhow, eh?
I really enjoy nighttime sailing, being out in the open ocean at night with just the waves in the darkness. If you've got a good moon, it's really spectacular, and it's really a time to spend some time thinking about life and enjoying the sail. We made a quick stop in Pemba to load up fuel, and once we were loaded we left for the open sea and for Mtwara. Due to some of the insurgent attacks in the north of Mozambique, we were quite nervous about sailing this area, so we went far out to sea, 50 nautical miles out to the reef, and then we headed back towards Tanzania and Mtwara. Entrance to the port from the southern side. See, there's quite a big section of land here, far out to sea. Around to the borders, Mozambican coast over there. We arrived in Mtwara on the 16th of November 2020. It was a 2-day journey from Left Ilha da Mocambique, and it was nice to arrive in a new country and start the process of entering the country and getting our visas and our permissions to be in the country for the next few months. We spent 4 days in Mtwara, which is a nice small port with a small town on the side of it, and it gave us the opportunity to do some maintenance on the boat. One of those problems was the water maker, and the second was to change our Windex at the top of the mast. Once that was done, we proceeded off towards Dar es Salaam, which will be in the next video. If you liked this video, please click on the like button and subscribe if you want to see our future videos.